Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Ethereum from Uphold to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why do this? Uphold is great for holding assets, but Binance offers more trading options and lower fees. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transfer your Ethereum securely. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Make sure you're on a secure device and have two-factor authentication enabled. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to your Ethereum wallet. Find the Withdraw or Send option. Here, you'll need to select Ethereum as the asset. Step 3. Now, head over to your Binance account. Go to your wallet section, select Ethereum, and copy your deposit address. Double-check that it's the correct network, like ERC20, to avoid any lost funds. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste that Binance address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of ETH you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees, typically around 0.0005 ETH or more, depending on congestion. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees before hitting confirm. Once you do, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour in 2025, thanks to potential network improvements. A quick tip. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure it goes through smoothly. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact Uphold or Binance support immediately. And there you have it. Your Ethereum is now on its way to Binance. This process keeps your assets moving efficiently in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading.